Hey, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa. Ladies, do you suffer from it taking too long to finish in the bedroom? And you're thinking to yourself, is it me? Is it my honey? What is going on in this situation? Well, I'm here to tell you that there's something that's new that's out there that could potentially help you feel your best at this moment. And I'm going to bring it to you today, sugarlandmedspa.com. Okay, ladies, so did you know that there are two types of orgasms? One is from the outside, one is from the inside. This is usually outside orgasms. This is usually inside orgasms. So the clitoris itself is actually a pretty large organ, okay? And again, this is for my couples that are out there. We think sometimes that it's only this little piece that's sticking out that we see, and that's the whole clitoris. There's actually much more involved with that organ. The vagina actually sits here, all right? So what I want to let you know is that the O shot is perfect because it helps treat this area, but sometimes it may not be enough. And with women, unfortunately, there are many reasons why it's taken all day. One of them could commonly be we got too much stuff on our mind. We're thinking about, is the garage door open? We're thinking about, are the kids asleep? We're thinking about, tomorrow at work. And sometimes it's hard to calm that brain and actually get everything to focus so that you can actually enjoy yourself, okay? So it's actually hard for you to calm your mind and actually enjoy yourself. So I'm here to let you know that there's something new that's out there for your O shot that can actually help you a lot. So with the O shot, we place PRP here on the outside and here with the G spot. But did you know that we actually, when we combine the O shot with the neurotoxin like this, what happens is that it actually travels along the nerves to actually help relax our brain. We use neurotoxin all the time. We use it in aesthetics to help wrinkles. We use it all the time in order to help things like migraines and things like that. Well, now we're actually looking at it to actually enhance sexuality because again, a lot of us know, we're busy. Our brains are busy all the time. So it's important to actually enjoy that moment, okay? So literally by placing neurotoxin with our P shot that travels along the nerves, what happens is that again, you can actually relax and enjoy the moment even more by making it more pleasurable. For more tips and tricks and things that'll help you that are out there, feel free to visit us online at www.sugarlandmedspa.com. Feel free to also ask any sort of questions or anything like that. Again, we're here to help you feel your best. Take care.